show you how you can factory reset your Beat Studio Buds in case you have like issues pairing or connecting or one side's working or whatnot. So let me just go ahead to my Bluetooth here. Now as soon as I open this up, it should connect to my Beat Studio Buds. You can see it's connected there, and if I tap on that, you can see it's connected for calls and audio, okay? So now I'm connected. Now let's go ahead and factory reset this, okay? So you got the system button right here in the middle. You want to do is press and hold down, make sure both buds are in, press and hold about 15-20 seconds until you see it blink red, and then let go, okay? So here's the button here, and you can see it's connected right there. So now I'm going to go ahead and ready, set, press and hold. Now keep on holding and wait for that red light. 15 to 20 seconds about, okay? So just wait. Where's that red light? Still holding. There's our red light. Go ahead and let go. And now it's performing the factory reset. And once it's done, it's going to be back in pairing mode. Pairing mode is when it's simply just blinking white off and on, okay? So now you can see that I still got the Beats Studio Buds on here, but I'm not connected no more, okay? So if I click on the settings right there, now I can go ahead and connect from here. It's not going to automatically connect, okay? So I can connect now manually, or I can just unpair it, okay? So I'll just go ahead and connect it. And now it's connecting, and now I'm back. And it says connected, all right? Pretty simple. Good luck.